I am so happy that tonight our Facebook page, JB's Life in India, has reached 100,000 followers. As of now, we have 100,038 followers. And earlier, I was able to capture nung nag 100,000 followers talaga. So yan, kanina, naka-screenshot ako. So thank you to all of you na nag-follow sa aming Facebook page. And sa mga hindi pa naka-follow sa aming Facebook page na andito sa YouTube channel, please do follow our Facebook page. As in this past few months, naging consistent ako sa pag-upload ng mga reels, mga videos sa aming Facebook page. So, na-reach natin ngayon yung milestone na to. So, thank you so much. Paulit-ulit ako magpapasalamat sa inyo for supporting our channel, our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Sa mga supporters namin since the very beginning ng pag-start namin sa pagbablog ng year 2019 na hanggang ngayon andito pa rin. Sa mga bago lang sa channel namin, maraming salamat for supporting our little channel. Thank you for all the support and the love na pinapakita niyo sa aming mga videos, aming mga vlog. Thank you so much. Palagi kong sinasabi guys na yung mga vlogs talaga namin, mga simple, yung kung ano lang yung mga ginagawa namin sa bahay. So it's just, you know, a regular daily life dito sa India.
Hi guys!
But still, nakasuporta pa rin kayo and for showing us so much love. Say thank you to them, love, love. We have reached 100,000 followers on Facebook.
Thank you everyone if you have in Facebook.
We are just waiting for Daddy. Sabi ko, ano ihanda ko sa dinner. Pero may ulam pa naman kami kanina. And sabi niya, wag na daw akong magluto. We'll see kung ano yung gagawin namin for tonight kasi magse-celebrate kami. So, hindi naman yung bonggang-bonggang celebration. Gusto ko lang sana is mag-mumos. Parang nag-crave ako ng peri-peri kasi katatapos ko lang mag-edit ng vlog namin nung pauwi si Sam. Nag-mumu party kami dito sa bahay. We'll see if papayag siya na mag-chicken mumos tayo for tonight.
We're waiting for Daddy. Alas 8 na guys, wala pa rin si Abhi. Kanina sabi niya 5-10 minutes na lang daw. Hanggang ngayon wala pa siya. Ready? Get set. Go! Naboboard man siya sa loob ng bahay. Palagi siyang nagsasabi na dito kami sa labas mag-play. Kaya lang, pag may ginagawa ko sa loob, like naghuhugas, nagluluto, hindi ko siya pwedeng iwan ng mag-isa dito. Kasi last time, umakyat siya dito guys. And nandun ako sa loob kasi may tinatapos akong niluluto. Ilang minutes lang ako nawala. Tapos umakyat pala siya dyan. Hindi na ako kumpiyansa. Are you going to sit here again? Are you going to climb?
No.
Why?
Because
Yeah, mommy's getting scared, okay? Oh, careful.
Backwards me again.
Dad. That's Daddy. Oh, slowly. Slowly. Come on.
Today's my birthday.
Today is my birthday daw. Kaya pala ang tagal niya.
Happy 100K!
Today's my birthday.
Excited siya masyado. What is that balloon?
100K!
Where did you get that balloon?
Wait.
Where did you get that balloon, Daddy?
What do you think?
Kaya pala, that's why I've been calling you. You kept on saying 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Akala ko nasa opisina pa.
No, this balloon I have bought earlier only.
When? When did you buy that? You are still carrying your bag.
It's okay.
Excited much, Daddy.
Blow. Let me blow. Let me blow. Let me blow, Daddy.
We'll check the cake that Daddy got for our celebration.
Excited, Mama.
Just excited, Daddy.
Where did you get this cake, Daddy? Huh?
The shop.
So when did you order this?
Earlier.
Like what, earlier? Lunchtime?
After that.
After that, so you were already waiting?
I was waiting, that's why it took time because I wanted to order it if it is 100K. It's not, it should not be before also. So I was waiting. When it reached 100K, it was already evening. So I told him that is it possible? He said that's by 7:30 or by 8. I said okay, prepare it.
It's 8 p.m. I'm out alone. Not worried about a hand to hold. Don't need a guy to waste my time. Thinking I've got it on my own. And I see you there across the room. Peeking at me and I at you. Feeling the static in the air. Who could have known how love would bloom?
Yay! So here's our cake, our 100,000 followers cake, another milestone. When we reached 100,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, we did have a cake. So this time on Facebook, we have a cake to celebrate this milestone. 100,000.
Can I stick?
No, I will.
You're helping Daddy.
So fix the table and we'll cut the cake, then we'll
Can
go.
I stick?
You will go?
Put in that. For some food.
No, I'm just thinking we'll just buy momos.
That today is my birthday.
This is your birthday.
Okay, chalo. We'll cut cake.
Yay! Thank you so much, 100K followers on
Cause
Facebook.
in it put candy, forgot Mama eat Papa.
Come in.
Okay,
I want the little one.
okay, come. Happy 100,000 followers! Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you so much.
1, 2, 3, blow! Yay! Cut. We'll get spoon, Han.
It's okay. First we'll give mommy. It's mommy's hard work.
Oh.
Mommy's hard work.
You're not saying I was
This one.
Okay. And Mishka's hard work also.
Yeah, Mishka's hard work.
Oi.
Daddy.
Thank you.
You have to give mommy and daddy also. Hold this, baby. Give mommy and daddy. Give daddy. This one. Give, hold. I'll give you my love.
Thank
I'm
you.
not giving you.
Chalo.
What can you say to our followers on Facebook?
Thank you. Thank you everyone for always supporting us. Without you, of course, this journey would not have been possible.
Yeah.
So thank you. All we can say is thank you.
Thank you for the support.
Give me.
We have started this vlogging journey since 2019 and we are still here because of you. So thank you so much to all of you. This is not just our accomplishment or our milestone. This is all our accomplishments. So thank you so much for being with us, for joining us in this journey. Thank you everyone.
Yeah. We'll hit 100K, huh? We'll hit 100. Get 100K.
Let's eat.
Okay.
Let's enjoy our.
Mommy, that you like my potty?
Yes.
Slowly. Take small. No?
Ewan ko if ano yung plano ni Daddy. What's your plan, Daddy?
You go eat some.
No, I just wanted momos.
You go, we'll see.
Dito kami ngayon guys. New Church Side Hotel and Bar. This is their menu. Because of the weather here in Madikeri, they are serving hot water. Kasi sobrang hot talaga guys. Hindi mo pa siya kayang inumin. This is chicken soup.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
Good for this weather.
It's peppery and spicy.
Yeah. The specialty of this place. Jeera rice. Some onion. Onion.
This one? Pati?
How is it pink, Papa?
We are back from celebrating our milestone outside. Ang lamig! Kain lang kaming konting cake and then we'll sleep na. Hindi kami masyado nag-enjoy sa pagkain dun sa labas kasi ang anghang. So mag-dessert na lang tayo dito sa bahay. In fairness, masarap yung cake. Temptation.
Full, thank you.
Thank you for the effort.
Daddy.
For the celebration.
But that is for school.
Ha?
That is for school.
Ah, that is for your school? Sabi ko sa kanya kanina, magabaon siya nito sa school. So sabi niya, this is for school. Okay, enough. So again, thank you so much to all of you. It's indeed a happy new year for us. A happy 2025. Nag-start yung 2025 na happy. So hopefully, mag-continue siya in the coming months and the whole year. So again, thank you and see you on our next vlog. Bye!
Thank you.
Bye! Bye! Yung isa pa, ahabol.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Bye-bye.
Thank you 100,000 subscribers on Facebook!